probably a much more stable sense of money.
What was that?
They're like oval shaped with purple tops.
Yeah, those are tomatoes, but they're just not ready yet.